Steltonian pyramid is pyramid of biomass. As we are going on telling biomass definition, it is nothing but the amount of living material which is present in a the amount of living material which is present in an particular ecosystem is called as the pyramid of biomass. Now here this biomass can also be measured both as a fresh weight as well as in the form of dry weight. Now why we are supposed to study biomass is it will show the quantitative relationship of the living material which is present at each trophic level in an ecosystem. I repeat, the pyramid, the importance why we are studying biomass of pyramid is the biomass will show the quantitative relationship. It will show the quantitative relationship. It will show the quantitative relationship. Pyramid of biomass is nothing but it is important because it shows the quantitative relationship of the biomass, amount of biomass which is present at the different trophic levels in an ecosystem. What is the amount of living material which is present in the producer level, consumers level and tertiary decomposers level, right? So it also varies at different ecosystems. Now in case of a grassland and forest ecosystem, it is the basic upright model. Shape of the pyramid of biomass is upright. As we know, it will occupy with the base producers, consumers and decomposers. It will have plants. Plants are eaten by rabbits. Rabbits herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals are further eaten by the top carnivores, that is hawks, like this. In the case of forest also, the base of the forest will be covered by trees. Trees will be eaten by herbivorous animals like deer, elephant. These deer, elephants can be further eaten by lions or lizards, snakes or something like that. So basically the producers are more in number, consumers reduces in size. These consumers are further reduced by the tertiary consumer. So basically in the grassland ecosystem and forest ecosystem, from bottom to top there will be reduction in the amount of biomass which is there at the producers, consumers and decomposer level. So it will be in the form of upright form. Okay. Now when we come to the pond ecosystem, there will be a variation. Now, when we come to the pond ecosystem, you will see that during favorable and unfavorable conditions, there will be a variation between favorable conditions and unfavorable conditions. When it is a favorable conditions, it will have basic phytoplanktons eaten by normal producers, consumers and tertiary consumers. But during unfavorable condition, what will happen? It will become upside down. It will have more number of large fishes, less number of small fishes and less number of small algae, diatoms, all that which are there in the hydrophytic algae, fungi, bacteria, all that will be lesser in number. So in favorable conditions, the normal structure of pyramid of biomass is always upright, whereas in unfavorable condition it will show an inverted form. Okay. Now these are the different shapes. Here also the shapes are very important. The importance of biomass is it shows the quantitative relationship of the biomass, quantitative relationship of biomass at different trophic levels. Okay, this is very important. And here in a grassland it is upright, forest it is upright, and in the parasite pond ecosystem it will be inverted. These 4 points are very important when you are studying in case of the pyramid of biomass.